Hi guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's not even going to be about vlogmas or whatever. It's just a video I need to make. My name is Paula Nanya and I'm an esthetician based in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, so today's video is going to be about showing you products that you need to use, especially during winter, like during the cold weather. So recently we started getting our harmattan in Nigeria, and the weather has been really drying, and especially for me, and that's why I want to come out here to make this video. Especially for me, it has been drying for me, and I've noticed that on my feet, my hand, and my lips also. So I just want to make sure that everybody is guided about what to use and how to use all this product also. So I've already used my toner for hydration. Just want to top up hydration, so I'm going to be using this other toner that I have. This is Dr. Rachel brightening toner, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that right now just because I want to add one more layer of hydration. See, this season is just about hydration, and every skin type basically needs hydration. You cannot function without hydrating your skin basically, so you just need hydration all through. So that's what I'm trying to achieve right now. So I just decided to show you guys basically all I do to make sure that I'm hydrated. So after I must have done this and allow it to sit down, I'm going to use my vitamin C because this has hyaluronic, and hyaluronic acid is also for hydration. So I'm going to be adding that. Please just know that at this period it is not about using products in more quantity. It's not about, if you're supposed to use a pea size of a product, then you now use it in more than a pea size. That's not what this is about. This is about just using all hydrating product that you can get. I'm waiting for that to sit in. I'm going to grab my lip balm. Okay, so this one also, while I was in the shower, I already scrubbed my lips. Please, you need to also do that because it's going to be drying. So whatever dead skin is on your lip has to go off so that you can top up moisture. That way the moisture will penetrate better when your lip is exfoliated. Okay, so I'm not saying use hard sponge or whatever. There are brushes that you can use to exfoliate your lip, or you use a specific brush for it, something soft you could use to just exfoliate your lips so that every dead skin could go off, and then you apply your moisturizer to your lip. So in this case, I'm going to be using this Vaseline lip therapy. I've already talked about this in my channel in my previous videos, so you can definitely use this. So I'm just going to use that right now and just go over my lip. This will help you to definitely fight whatever dryness that you're going to encounter. So that I'm going to go next with this moisturizer. It's simple. It's my moisturizer, the moisturizer I use all the time. So I'm going to use that right now and then work my way into my skin. These are things you can definitely do to just top up that moisture so that your skin doesn't get dried and dry out, and the skin doesn't get dried, and then it would start to crack and start getting irritated because of the dryness of the weather. So you need to do all of this just so that you continue to have that flawless skin that you need. Okay, basically. Okay, so now I'm done with that. I'm just going to wait for this to sit in, but this goes in pretty quick. It's faster than my toner and the serum. Okay, so but the next thing I'm going to do is this one. I mean, all my products are super hydrating. For someone with an oily skin, I do a lot of hydration for my skin, and that is why you would notice that it has great improvements, if I should say it that way. So I'm just going to go in now and take, I just line it according to how I just line it according to how my finger is, as long as my finger is, so I know that I'm taking the exact amount. So I rub that into my palm and then into my face. Please, when it's cold, you still need your sunscreen. Hence you're seeing me doing that right now on camera, so that you know that you still need your sunscreen. You apply this everywhere and you'll be good. So don't think you don't need your sunscreen. Or you still need it. You still need it to keep your face safe, because if you step outside right now, you will notice that the sun is still out, so you definitely need it in as much as you're not, you know, sweating, you can't feel the heat per se, but the sun is still dangling about. So I think that's the end of that. Okay, so now moving on to the body. I use this Dove Essential Nourishment Body Lotion, Deep Care Complex. It's for dry skin, so it's very good for this dry weather. Okay, so I use this. I've used that already. Like once I came out of the shower, I used it all over my body, so I've used this already. Then I'm going to go in now with this. This is Cushion Baby Oil. So this also is to top up, you know. So it's either I use that, or I use the oil, or I use my what do you call it, my Vaseline. So if I want to still use the Vaseline together with it, I would just apply it together. And then can you see how that is shining? Like, apply it on the areas where you know that this is a scar. By the way, that is a scar. Apply it on the areas where you know that you definitely, you know, get, what do you call it, I also have a star here too. Yeah, you easily get dry. That is where you should apply it on, so that you know that you're protected no matter what is happening to you. Okay, so I basically have applied this. I just showed you on my body also. I just have not applied it on my hand, and that's why I wanted to show you on camera how I applied it. Okay, so then I'll apply it on my leg also. That's basically all I do when it comes to, you know, keeping my entire body moisturized for this weather. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing now is my hair. Okay, so you know, the hair is also going to be drying out a lot at this period, just because, I mean, you guys know now, it's dry weather, it's dry season, everywhere is drying up. So I'm just going to take down this and also show you guys what I do when it comes to my hair. These are the two products that I use from Mega Growth. These two products I use, and this is the Mega Growth anti-dandruff treatment. So that's basically what I use to apply on my hair to prevent it from drying out so much, and also to just help me treat my dandruff and all that. So this is very essential and important. So I'm just going to do that right now. Apply this to the pattern. I mean, braids is like the best hairstyle for any hair treatment that you want to do, just because it helps you to like target the exact places that you want to apply your product to. It feels really nice and sweet massaging this into my scalp, I swear. You guys have no idea. So once that is done and I've covered everywhere with it, so I just go in with the spray. Alright, I think I'm done with that now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to care for the body of my hair, and then I'll be using my Cushion body oil again, baby oil rather. I'm going to be using that again to just walk through. I'm not just going to be doing that on the ends, I'm just going to be doing that generally on the hair, on the entire hair. And that's basically all I do when it comes to my hair, my body, my face. I'm really bad at like styling hair, packing my hair. I only just go into one style and that is it. So I won't be styling this hair at all. So maybe I'll just take it to the side, basically like this. Okay, so that should be the style, yeah. So I'll just take it to the side like this, and yeah, I'm ready for whatever activity. And so from time to time, if I notice that my body is getting dry again, I'll just go in to apply another layer of moisture to my body, so that I just keep myself hydrated all through. That's basically all for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to still use your moisturizers, still use your sunscreen, do your lip care, because it's very important. I don't want to be seeing people with chapped lips up and down. It's not attractive at all. So you need to, and stop licking it. Oh please, saliva should be gone. You have like a lot of things that you can use. You can get your like very cheap and affordable lip care, lip therapy, which is this Vaseline. You can actually just get it and use it on your lips. It's that simple, right? There are other lip what do you call it? There are other lip treatments you can actually get also. If you want to get those ones, they are more popular and more expensive. You can get that, but this one works perfectly well for me. I use lip balms a lot, so I'm kind of like used to it. At the end of this video, I hope you saw something that interests you and you learned something from all that I have shown you. And also I'm going to see you guys in my next video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. All right, bye guys.